Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2017 Dodge Durango GT all-wheel drive, stock number B9162P. 27,000 miles on this Durango. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, granite metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. This Durango seat 7 with a leather interior, rear heat and air controls. Outboard middle row seats are also heated. Middle row seats fold flat for additional cargo space and tumble forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 2. Backup camera along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. 50/50 split folding rear seat. Folds flat easily, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers with additional underfloor storage. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This GT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power driver's seat along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, as well as customizable dash, all controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, paddle shifters for when the 8-speed automatic transmission is put into manual mode, touchscreen display for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, 3-zone temperature control, driver, passenger, rear heat and air, as well as heated seats and heated steering wheel. Great for those cold winter days. Compass, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices. 8-speed automatic transmission with a rotary dial shifter. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box. Overhead, auto dimming mirror. Homelink transmitter for garage door opener, and power moonroof control. Under the hood, this Durango has a 3.6 liter V6, 295 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 18 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, and approximately 50% tire tread left. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCB 9162P to 662.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.